Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today I am going to open up my Planner K order, which includes my Misfit bag. So it took everything I had in me not to open this today, but I am very excited to see what's inside, and I thought I would just do it at the same time as you guys are seeing it. So let's get to it. I'm gonna open this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is. Here's my Misfit bag right here, and then here is my actual order. So I'm gonna go into my order first. And right off the bat, I noticed that she's got new cards in here, and I love these. Look at the cute colors with the pink and the navy blue. It has a code on the back, PKLove20, and that'll get you 20% off your order. She always has a 20% off code going around, whether it's this one or Julie G20, and both of them take 20% off. And then here are my freebies that I got. Let's see here. We've got some of these functionals here. I believe these are the budget ones. Some Doodle Girl samplers. I love when I get the Doodle Girl samplers. Woo, so cute. Some dots here. And then some arrows. These are really great for marking time in the planner. I don't usually have things that last that long, so these, I don't use them very often, but it is nice to have them. And then these habit trackers here, which I love using habit trackers, although I've got a full sheet of gray ones, so if I ever need one that will match my kit, I can pull from one of these. Okay, so I went ahead and organized these so that it's kind of easier to go through them. So I got these Doodle Girls here, which I love using for when I'm doing my meal planning. She's got her little laptop and her notes here, and she's working, and I just love it. I think it matches. And then I got some film edit upload scripts here. And then I got this kit here. This is mini kit 253. I got the sampler. And then I've got the decorative boxes here. I've got some date covers and then some thin washi. This kit is beautiful. I love these colors. Purple's my favorite color, so I'm gonna use the heck fire out of this kit. And then I got this one as well. This is mini kit 248. I got the sampler and just the thin washi this time. And this one is really pretty too. The colors are so vibrant. Like, they're so vibrant. Look at that. I just love that. And then I got this one as well because, yes, purple. This is kit 250. I got the sampler and then I also got the thin washi. This kind of is the best combination of stuff that works for me when I'm doing my weekly kits. The other one where I got the date headers and the decorative boxes, that one is just kind of extra and if I have a really busy week, but this is typically what I will use. I will end up using pretty much most of these boxes, and then I like having the thin washi to do at the top of my planner. So this is the most cost-effective and the best way for me to use these kits. Okay, now for the part that I'm sure you guys are actually watching. This is the Misfit bag. It's big. It's got a lot of stuff in here. All right, so right off the bat here, I've got just this page that just says routines and a script all over it, and I like it. I'm gonna find a use for that. And then here are some samplers that came with it. We've got some boxes here. We've got some weather icons here. Some more boxes, some flags. Well, kind of flags. They're flags on both sides. And then these corkscrew ones, and I love these. These are great for putting on events that are canceled for me. I like putting these through events to show that they've been canceled because I think they're better than just like marking them out. And then here are some hourly cutout boxes. I believe they are cut out. Yes, these are the hourly cutout boxes, and this is for kit 164. It's for 2019-2020, so it's last year's kit. So it'll work for last year's planner, but I am still using that planner, so this is actually gonna work really well for me. Here are some budget stickers. I'm pretty sure that's what these are, is these are budget stickers. I will not use these, and I will probably give these to my friend. Oh my gosh, look at this with the squirrels. Oh, I die. This is kit 165. So I like when I get these extra ones, I will look and see with the kit number if she still has these on her site, and I will try and buy a little bit extra to be able to make a full kit for myself. So I like that. And then this is the vertical bottom covers. So I do not have a vertical planner. I have an hourly planner. So I may not end up using these, but I don't know. This could be really good for something else. This could be good for like that dashboard in the planner. I don't know. I'm going to find a use for it though. Oh, speaking of dashboard, here's this. I like the color. It says it's aqua. I like it. Oh Lord, look at this kit. This is so pretty. Look how pretty this washi is with those flowers. So this would be for a monthly kit. So this would fit on the bottom here, and then this would go on that sidebar in the month. But I may end up just using this for a weekly kit. This kind of matches the same color these boxes here, so I may be able to scrounge together a kit with this stuff, actually. Oh, that may be what I end up doing, is I may end up using this for a kit. Kind of works together. We'll try it. All right, here's a bunch of Pinterest icons. And then some pink hourly cutouts. Those are very pretty pink. They're very light pink. And then some half-day stickers. It's hard to tell like what actually made this a misfit. Like I can't tell. That's barely a misfit to me. And then here's a spending tracker here. I don't do my budgeting in my planner, but I really like this washi. So I'll probably use this washi for something. Oh, I'll use it for this. Look how cute. So this is for the mini happy planner. And then here, oof, these are tiny. These are tiny little boxes. I'll be honest, I'm not sure what I will use this for, but it's so cute. It's for April. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, and look at all these washi. These are nice. This flower one is very nice. This one with the lipsticks and stuff. This is for mini kit 210. So I may just buy the sampler for 210 and use that if I like the sampler. But yeah, that is it. That is my whole order. This Misfit bag was very big. I feel like it's usually not this big. So I am very impressed with the amount of stuff I got with it. And I will definitely be using a lot of it. I will also be giving some of it to my friend because I don't need all of it. But is it worth the money? Yes. I will definitely be using enough of it to make it worth the money. Okay, so here's my whole order. I am very happy with all of it, and I am very excited to get this organized and put this in all of my binders and get to use my new kits in the coming weeks and my doodle girls and figure out what to use all of my Misfit stuff for. I know there's at least a solid 2 kits in here that I can pull from and make, and then maybe, you know, something extra that I'll need to buy, but I can definitely make this into 2 kits, and I'm very excited to use it. So comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out videos every Monday, and I like to put out a bonus video every Thursday if I can. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.